My name is Freya Yelena C. Mosqueda. Today, we're gonna make a yummy, healthy salad. Before we start, Aya will wash her hands with soap and water. Wear a mask and a gloves to make the food preparation safe and clean. Our fruits and vegetables are washed and already cut. Next are a big no for kids. Always ask an adult for help when using sharp objects. Now, let's start making our salad. First step, add the apple, Apple is sweet and crunchy. It keeps our heart happy. Remember, one apple a day keeps the doctor away. Step 2. Add the cucumbers. Cucumber has a lot of water. It keeps us cold and hydrated. What a cool vegetable. Step 3. Add tomato. Tomato is rich in vitamins. It keeps our eyes bright and skin healthy. Step 4. Add the onion. Ooh, onion. That makes us cry. But it helps our body fight germs. It's healthy is worth a few happy tears. Step 5. Add the seasoned mayonnaise. It makes our salad creamy and tasty. Remember, a little is just right. Okay, Aya. Mix it all together. Mix, mix, mix. So fun and easy. Don't forget the egg. Eggs are rich in protein. It keeps our muscles strong. It keeps our bones healthy and smart brain. That's why I love eggs. Our yummy, colorful, crunchy apple cucumber salad is ready. Eating healthy is our real superpower. It makes us strong, be smart, and smile all the way. 1, 2, 3, go.